Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I was at the dollar store and I saw these cool foam bells and I thought that would make something really cool to pour over. So I've got a toothpick in the top here just so I can easily lift it up when I'm ready. And I'm definitely going with warm colors to get today because I'm almost out of white. I was just draining that in there. But I'm going to be using, this is a metallic yellow, the Arteza iridescent paint, and then some of the Folkart, Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold, and then here, well, actually orange. So this is once again Arteza, the iridescent paint, and then let's see, this one's a color that I made. It's like a magenta purple color, and then we're going to use some red. And I do have a 10 by 10 canvas, so I don't need too much paint for that. I do want to use a little bit of black. I don't even have a lot mixed up, but just want to add a little bit to have some contrast. There we go. I think I will top it off with a bit more yellow. Okay. Now, I do think that I might need a little bit more paint. So I think actually a little more gold. Okay, there we go. Get everything out of the way. And now I'm going to go ahead and just pour right over the top of this in a circular manner, trying to kind of pour semi-evenly. So far, I'm not doing the greatest job, I don't think. I kind of thought this would be actually even more even of a pattern that would come out. But this is why I love trying these things, because you never really know what you're going to get. And this is not at all like I was expecting. So that's pretty cool. Alright. And I actually got a whole bunch of these because at Christmas time I plan on doing a bunch of pours over these bells and then making them into some ornaments. But I didn't want to wait until Christmas to try it, so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and slowly pull this up. Set that aside. And then we'll go ahead and tilt. There's a lot of gold around the outside there. And if you haven't seen me use that particular gold in other videos, it does tend to cause some cells. So I am fully expecting that here. Oh, I'm really loving the colors. There we go. I don't think I need to tilt it much more than that. And you can see over here actually already the gold cells are popping up. I love it. So we'll let this sit here for a little while. I'm curious what else might come through, and then we'll do our close-up. All right, we're back. As you can see, a bunch of cells have popped up through here. I really love the coloring on this one. The pattern is definitely interesting, not at all what I anticipated coming out of this experiment. But anyways, let's do our close-up. So starting on the lower right-hand corner, see all these beautiful gold cells. I love that purple color that I used. So to me, this kind of looks like a rose a bit, but it also has like a demonic Pikachu in the middle or something like that. I don't know. Anyways. Really like the colors on this one though. I kind of think I might want to try this again using the Artist Loft Ready Mix paint. Because those paints are a bit thicker and might give me a little more of the look that I was going for, but I still love it. And let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll be trying this at least a couple more times. And then I think like a whole string of these would look pretty as well, or just as ornaments. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.